In order for you to get YouTube on your MacBook or your iMac, this is what you're going to do. Now, YouTube is not traditionally available in the App Store. So whenever you go to the App Store and search for YouTube, you'll notice that it is not there ready for you to be able to install directly. So in order for you to be able to get YouTube, what you're going to do is simply open up Safari, and then you're going to search for YouTube. So once you've successfully opened up YouTube on your comp, you're then going to go ahead and in the top right corner of your comp, you should see this option File. So you're going to select File, and then you're going to select the option Add to Dock. Next, you're going to name this shortcut as YouTube, and then you're going to select Add. And then once you do that, you'll now notice YouTube appearing on your dock. If you want to pin it there, simply right click on it, then options, and ensure that it is available in dock. If you don't see add to dock, then it's already been successfully pinned. So if you ever want to access YouTube, you have this shortcut ready for you to use at all times. Thanks for watching. If you have questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.